In this video, we are going to fetch the data into our Logcat. Now, let's turn on the exam server and ensure that the Apache and the MySQL is turned on. Okay? So, remember, we are going to fetch the data that we have created, the JSON file that we have created in the API into our Logcat. I will create a new interface called API interface inside the REST package. And this interface will fetch the data and allow the retrofit to fetch the data through this interface. Now, this retrofit interface starts by add get. So we are going to get the data. So we need to use the get method. Okay, guys? So if you want to learn about get, post, and all the retrofit methods, go back to our course and see about retrofit methods. Okay, so the get is for getting the data from internet. Okay, so the homepage underscore API. You remember the URL that ends with the homepage underscore API. This is what we are going to get. Okay, so the JSON file that we have been displayed it to on the URL on the website. We will parse it and use the JSON file library to display it as Java objects, and Android Studio understand these Java objects and display them into our news application, into Recycler view. Okay, so we start by making the call, the retrofit call called get homepage API, and I will query a map that uses the map of strings, string and string number 2, and params. I will name it as parameters, and importing the classes, the call for retrofit. Okay, so everything is working fine. Okay, now I will add here the main activity, a new method called getData that will use the interface or pass the parameters for the interface that make the call using the API client and get the data into Logcat. So getting the data using this method get home data. Okay, and this method I will create it inside here. So I have called it on the onCreate method. It is called get home data, and inside get home data we will add some codes in order to fetch the data from using the interface and the client. Okay, we start by, sorry guys, my voice, and I am tired a little bit because I have corona, but till now I'm very well. Now API client interface, this is the object of it, API client.get API client.create. Okay, this is how we start by using the interface, and we have learned before how to use the JSON objects and how to use the interface in the retrofit. Because I have parameters in the method called the get home data inside the API interface, I need to make a map called params, and inside the params I will put, not add, I will put the key value for the page, and I will put 1 for displaying the first the data and the posts of the first page, and params dot add dot sorry dot I will posts. This is the posts. Okay, so I have here that I want to display the first 10 posts in the page number 1. This is what we have written. Okay, so call object, I will make call, and but for now, for testing purposes, I use the object as a generic for the call, and in call I will enqueue it and new callback of the object, and inside this I will implement the two methods that are obligatory to implement. Okay. So new callback, this is the callback of the object, and inside it I will implement the methods here on response and on failure. Okay, so everything is working fine now till now, and I need to make some adjustments here. I will ensure that the API here is, and the base URL is ended with the /. Okay, so don't miss it. And inside the manifest I will add the, let me check. Okay, I will add the on interface, sorry, on the manifest. Okay, before adding for the manifest a clear text, I will add here that the line that we have removed, logging interceptor dot level. I will make the level here not the basic. I will remove it and put it as body. Okay, so let me check now. If we have error, I will go to the manifest. Okay, I will get the Logcat and search for OK HTTP. Okay, and if we scroll up, maybe we don't have permission to access it. Okay, strict mode violation. Okay, see guys, the strict mode. So on Retrofit, the strict mode is enabled. I will go to the manifest here, and I will add the clear text and set it to true. Ensure that the internet permission is added and uses clear text traffic and equal to true. Okay, in this way we have ensured that our app is working fine and getting all the responses correctly. I will reinstall and restore the app, and here we go, search for OK HTTP, and we have got the response. Amazing guys, this is the whole JSON file that we have seen before. It starts by banner, then news, and then ads, advertisements. Okay, so this is the whole response, the whole thing that we have got. You see guys, the posts, the advertisements, and the banners. So everything is working fine till now. We need later on to parse this object in a well-formed and in a JSON format that allow us to display the components and display the items into a recycler view, and display the news, the banners, and advertisements, each one and each type, each category in the correct place. Okay, so for now, if you want to support us, rate us 5 stars on Udemy and subscribe to our YouTube channel, hit like and comment below. Thanks. Thank you guys.